Hi, this is Saoirse. I'm coming to you from Edinburgh Castle in Edinburgh, Dhùn, Èideann in Scotland. And we're right here on top of the Half Moon battery here, which is built on top of David's Tower. And that's where they had the Black Supper, the Black Dinner. And we're over here actually by the well, right at the corner of the Half Moon battery and the well. And you can see this well goes way down. I don't know if you can hear that, so. Hi, and it's important because when the well was stopped up, the castle actually surrendered, and then it made a difference for them to live there. So anyway, I'll give you a look around. I have to be careful so that there's not any children in it, because it's YouTube, you know. Anyway, you can see. Now, this thing right here is supposed to be, it looks like a church, but actually it's a soldier's memorial, and it's dedicated and built for that. So it's kind of like the Valle de los Caídos in Spain, which is a war memorial for the Guerrilla Civil. It's the Valley of the Fallen in Spain. It just has that feel for it. Edinburgh Castle didn't have the feel like Lancashire did, although it was a prison and it was a military place for a long time. So anyway, yeah, so the main heart of the castle here is inside this little bit right there. And I go in there is the courtyard, and there's tons of people in there. And then up here is the Half Moon battery, and this is what you can see from the city. It really is a standout landmark, and it overlooks the main entrance where you come inside. So, and then looking that way, you can see Mons Meg, the big cannon, and you can see the city and the fort out there. So anyway, Edinburgh's a really cool place to come. It's a big city. It's bigger than Cardiff. It's really crowded during tourist season. If you're coming up here to the castle, it's best to come in early, get the earliest one, and to listen to the audio tours and things before you come up. Saves a lot of time that way. And then you can go do the Royal Mile and all the museums. But first thing in the morning is the best time, because then it's just your group up here for 30 minutes till the rest of the people start coming up. So that's the way to do it. So anyway, it's a great place to come. It's a good bucket list check-off theme. So anyway, Sinead Fall, Slán